Hello everyone, today I'm here with more practice questions of information technology. Please comment whether you like my video and whether they are helpful for you in your learning. So comment below the video, and for more practice questions, please keep visiting my channel. Thank you. Today's topic is IT policy in financial institutions. So, number one, the organization's stated objectives and the requirement in terms. The answer is policy, the organization's stated objectives and the requirement in terms. Policy also establish dash and co-interaction where issue may overlap. The answer is departmental responsibilities. Policy also establish departmental responsibilities. Dash establish minimum performance parameter. The answer is standards. Standards establish minimum performance parameters. Standards are statements that are usually dash, measurable and dash. Standards are statements that are usually actionable, measurable and observable. Standards are more detailed than policies. Dash are constructed in part so that they may be referenced in real time. The answer is emergency plans. The next is acceptable use policy, AUP, also sometimes known as acceptable policy or dash. The answer is fair use policy. Acceptable use policy, also sometimes known as acceptable policy or fair use policy. Dash is a set of rules applied by the manager, administrator of a computer system that restrict the way which the system may be used. The answer is AUP. Acceptable use policy is a set of rules applied by manager, administrator of a computer system. AUP documents are written for corporate, business, banks and other financial institutions where the depend on dash is high. The answer is technology, where the depend on technology is high. The most important part of an AUP document is the dash, governing the behavior of a dash whilst connected to the network in turn. The most important part of an AUP document is the code of conduct, governing the behavior of a user whilst connected to the network in turn. The acronym of PLP is dash. The acronym of PLP is Principle of Least Privileges. The principle of least privilege is known as the dash or just least privilege and as the principle of least authority. The principle of least privilege is known as the principle of minimal privilege. Dash routine user can operate the computer, number 1, and save documents, number 2, but cannot save system setting. The answer is restricted user. Dash power user can change many system settings, install program that do not affect the operating system. The answer is standard user. Dash have complete access to read and write any the system and add or remove any program or change system. The answer is administrators. AUP documents are also named Internet and dash Internet AUP or network AUP and also dash? The answer is email policy and acceptable IT use policy. AUP documents are also named Internet and email policy, Internet AUP or network AUP, and also acceptable IT use policy. So thank you for watching my video.